Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use motion tracking on Capcut. So while editing, you want to capture the movement of any object or any person in your video, then there's a feature called motion tracking that we will learn how to use it in Capcut. So first you have to simply open the Capcut PC version. You can just simply download it from its website. Once you have it, simply open any new project or you can also go with any existing project. Then import the media files of you want to edit and place it into that editing bar. Now here I'm just gonna track this truck or the bus. Meanwhile, you can select any object that you want to capture. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna zoom in a bit and just simply place it in a good position. Now on the right side, you can see we have these editing tabs. In the basic, on the right side, you will see small icons which are similar to the diamond shape. Those icons are called frame rates. These are very small and these are on the right side. If you click onto it, they will get into blue. Make sure all of these get blue. So these are the frame rates. So the purpose of these frame rates is that if you place them at a point and later on after a few seconds you place it into any other part, the video will be tracked according to these frame rates. Let's say on that point I have added on that truck. Now once that truck moved to another position, I will zoom in again and put the frame rates onto that one. So it will only focus onto the movements that are between these frame rates. So we have to simply add the frame rates at different points. So as you can see now that truck has been moved, therefore I have added onto the new part. Now I'm just gonna place some more video and place further frame rates. So here as you can see, if I go back and play it, then you will get the idea that how this video works. So as you can see, it is focusing on that truck, and now as you can see it is getting out of frame. I will again add the frame rates and adjust it. You can also do it as per your preferences, like you can zoom in and you can just simply do as per your preferences. Now the truck is getting out of focus, so again I am adding the frame rates and also zooming in, and you can actually add multiple frame rates. And once I play the video, you will see that how these frame rates work, that it only focuses on the points where you have added them. So by that you will be able to use the motion tracking feature in CapCut. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.